In this video, we are going to study the types of induction motor starters. So now first let me explain what is the necessity of a starter. So at the time of starting, the speed of the machine is 0 and the slip of the motor is maximum. So the magnitude of the rotor induced EMF is high. So as the rotor conductors are short circuited, large EMF circulates high current. So at the time of starting, you'll be having high current. So we are in a need to reduce this high current. So the rotor current will be 5 to 8 times of the full load current. So this heavy inrush of current will damage the motor winding. So for this reason, we have to protect this. So for this purpose, we are using this starter. So a starter is a device which is basically used to limit the high starting current by applying reduced voltage to the motor at the time of starting. So the purpose of a starter is to reduce the high starting current and to provide overload and under voltage protection. So next let's see the types of starters. So the types of starters were direct online starter, auto transformer starter, star delta starter and stator resistance starter. First we will see the direct online starter. So this type of starters will be generally used for motors with less than 5 HP. So as this motors can withstand high starting currents due to its robust construction. Motors are directly switched on to supply lines, hence these starters are called direct online starter. So the advantages of using this type of starters were it is simple in construction, it is easy to install, it is easy to maintain and it is less expensive. So the demerits were it is used only for small horsepower motors. So that is the main disadvantage. Here the starting current is heavy and it is suitable only for the motors which attain their rated speed. So in a very short time. So that's all about the direct online starter. Now let's see the star delta starter. So the star delta starter method of starting the three-phase induction motor is very much common. This is generally used. It is used among all the methods. It is more common. So in this method, the motor runs at delta connected star windings. So this is the diagram for connecting the star delta connected to the motors. So next, the advantage of using this type of starter where it is widely used due to their low price. So there are no limits to the number of times they can be operated. So the components require very little space. The starting current is reduced to approximately 1/3. So now let's see the stator resistance starter. So the stator resistance starter is connected in each line in series with each phase winding of the stator. So here initially the starter resistance are kept at the start position so that they'll offer maximum resistance. And this is the diagram for connecting the stator resistance starter to the induction machine. So the advantages of using this type of starter where it is very simple in construction, it reduces the terminal voltage of the motor during the starting time, hence the starting current also decreases. It is also a low cost starter. And next we'll see the auto transformer starter. So this is the circuit diagram for the auto transformer starter. Here in this case, the voltage applied to the stator can be reduced to the desired value by using three-phase star connected auto transformer starter. So the advantages of using this type of starter where its efficiency is high, its size is relatively small, voltage regulation of the auto transformer is much better, low cost and low requirements of excitation current, less copper is used in its design and its construction. So that's all about the types of starters. Thank you.